What up? Peace and blessings to the fam. This your big homie Jared with the RetroInsider.com. As always, thank you and shout out to all you new and returning viewers. And I also have to say thank you for sleeping on these. So 2 outlet finds that I wanted to show you guys today. And I've been stacked up on shoes here lately, so I wanted to do just quick unboxing so I can get these videos out to you guys so y'all can see what's available out there in these streets. So went to the outlet this past weekend and bought 2 pair of New Balance 998. So we got the U998BL, which is black, and then we have the U998GR, which is the classic New Balance gray. So as you can see on the tag, they both say $99.99, but at the outlets it was buy one get one 50% off. So $149.98 plus tax, $162. It feels like pre-pandemic today, man, when it comes to these sneakers, man. I don't remember the last time I got a pair made in the US sneaker for under $100. So let's get into what they look like. Yeah, so here they are, guys. And as I was saying, I can't remember the last time I got a pair made in US shoes for under $100. It had to be before 2020. It had to be. I used to get a lot of sneakers, New Balance made in US sneakers for under $100, either on Hibbit at the outlet. Every now and then you could get one, but as of the last couple years, you know, they've been hot. So I guess nobody likes the 998s because my store had pretty much a full size run in both colorways of these, and I gladly picked up both pair. Now I've owned a pair of the grays before, loved them, still got them. They're in decent shape, and nah, they're borderline beaters. So this was great timing for me to get this gray and then this black. I was thoroughly, heavily, immensely surprised by how good this black colorway looks on the 998. I mean, just something about this suede and this dark rich black, and then the contrast with the New Balance in 3M with the white outline. I mean, gosh, how could you not like these if you're a New Balance fan? So if you have a New Balance outlet close to you, I would recommend you go run, don't walk, see if they have any available in your size. Like I said, my store had just about all of them. And if you're wondering about sizing, the 998s kind of switched up the tooling around 2020. Well, yeah, really the C notes, whenever the C notes drop. So they're really kind of snug at true to size. So if you like a 1-to-1 fit, you can go true to size. But I've heard a lot of people going up a half size on these. So for me, I'm 11.5 and 12. Most 990s 1 through 6, I go 11.5. I can't go 11.5 in these 998s anymore. Have to go true to size, and even the true to size is snug. So I prefer a snug fit, but those who want something roomy or have wide feet, go up a half a size. So New Balance 998, great silhouette, underrated, underappreciated. I know there is a pocket of people that really enjoy this, so hopefully you can get your hands on a pair of these. Pretty much just staples, man. You gotta have a pair of gray and black shoes in your rotation, and if you are a fan, why not grab them for a hell of a deal? So equivalent to about $75 per pair for a made in the US New Balance 998. I don't see how you could pass that up. So I'm not telling you what you do with your bread, but I know what I had to do with mine. So this is just a different format for me as far as videos. I got a lot of sneakers piling up, and I got to find a quick way to get some videos out. Now, if y'all want me to do full reviews on any shoes, please feel free to let me know in the comments. If not, I'll just let this be it. I'm trying to give you guys a look at some deals that I've been finding, because I do have some more shoes coming that I found some great deals on. So in order for me to get these videos out, I might not do the full review. I might just unbox them here with you guys, let y'all see them, give a little commentary on them, and then go from there. So if that's something you down with, you want to see more videos like that, if you're new, go ahead and consider subscribing. And if you made it to this point in the video, you might as well give it a thumbs up too. So I'd be remiss if I didn't mention that I made 1,000 subscribers, and couldn't have done it without you guys. So in order for me to grow, I know it's all about you, the viewer, making sure I'm creating content that you enjoy to watch. And if you do, let me know in the comments, and I'll keep doing it, man. But like I said, run, don't walk to your New Balance outlet. See if they have the buy one, get one free. See if they have your size, and make it do what it do. But thank you. Until next time, take it easy. Stay humble and proceed.